Do you want to know how you can log in to your Supreme Today AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Supreme Today AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Supreme Today AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Supreme Today AI, where you can log in using your Google account or your email address, username or phone number. So to use this, go ahead and choose your country, write down your phone number or your country code over here or your email address. After you write down your email address or username, click continue. Then you can write down your password and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your supremetoday.ai account with your email address. If you want to reset your password, go ahead and click reset password and you can reset your password if you have forgotten yours. If you want to skip all of this and want to continue with Google, go ahead and click continue with Google and then it will take you to this login portal where you can select your Google account, click continue to sign to Supreme Today AI, and in a while you can notice that you will be logged into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, you will not be logged into your supremetoday.ai account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Supreme Today AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.